Got a long list of ex-lovers. Tell you I'm insane. What is up, beautiful people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to a very receipt-filled video. So we're not actually spilling any tea today. We're just having a little bit of fun with something. If you guys ever been to CVS, y'all know that the receipts are just for some reason like 58 miles long. I don't really know what the deal is. Like I went the other day and this was literally my receipt. I was dying. I posted it on Instagram. So funny. But yeah, I thought it would be fun to do a little bit of recycling and, you know, make an outfit out of them. Save the planet, go green, make a dress out of CVS receipts. You know, it's all in a day's work. So we're gonna do just that. Without further ado, here we go. Making a dress out of CVS receipts. This one should be good. Alrighty, as always, before we get going, here is our outfit of the day, which today is very rainbow chic. Okay, we are in sweatpants, so maybe chic isn't exactly the right word, but we are rocking a very casual little look today here. Got a white tank top bodysuit, which is surprisingly not see-through today, though it usually is, so I don't know. If it's maybe just the lighting, we got some gray sweatpants from the men's section, some of my favorite, most comfiest things to wear out. Some groovy rainbow shoes that you guys saw me buy at The Real Real, and of course, my fake Birkin bag that I got on Amazon. Today we're also rocking some fabulous diamonds, a nice ring, and some really groovy shades. Look at these. Sis, yes, pop off. Very kind of lazy soccer mom chic. I mean, I have no children playing soccer, but I do have George. Hi, honey bear. I love you. And in even funnier news, well, this is what I'm wearing today. It's actually not what I wore when I went to CVS because I picked up CVS receipts yesterday. So here's a flashback of me going to CVS yesterday. Ooh, time travel. Enjoy. Woo! I actually love CVS. I'm so excited. So I don't think I've ever gone to CVS looking only to rob them of their receipts, but let's see if we can find some good ones without getting kicked out. Oh my God, I feel like a literal psycho. Perfect. Oh, this is a good one. Also like the true shopaholic I am, we're gonna get a few things while I'm here, like toothpaste. Toothpaste, great. Some mouthwash. God, what? This is so fun. I could honestly buy so much stuff here, but we're gonna focus. I look like a sociopath just like digging through and stealing receipts. Got a long list of ex-lovers. Tell you I'm insane. Okay, so mission accomplished. We got all of our loot of CVS receipts. I got literally so many. So now let's see what kind of dress I can make with these. You ever gone shopping just to steal a bunch of trash? No, this is a first. Alrighty, so we are back from our adventures. Are you ready to see what we got for this project? You are. Great. Here we go. Alrighty, so here's what we got for this project. We have literally bags and bags of receipts. Yes, I did dig all these out of the trash like a psycho, but there we go. We got all those. My CVS haul, by the way, got some mouthwash. I got this super cute hat because why not? Oh yes, a mood. Some toothpaste, some face washers, some duct tape, some of this. I mean, I would do a full haul, but I don't know how boring that would be for you guys. But yeah, love CVS, so good stuff. And we also got some poster board, and that is basically what we got. How are we gonna turn this into a dress? He doesn't know. And honestly, neither do I, but we will figure it out. So without further ado, let's get started. This hat makes me feel like a baseball wife. Fabulous. Alrighty, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and grab this corset that I had in my closet, and we're gonna go ahead and decorate that with some receipts. So basically, we're just going to rip those up like this into a bunch of little tiny pieces, and then we're gonna take something called Mod Podge, which is kind of like a little glue thing, and basically we're just gonna wipe the glue straight onto the corset and place the little pieces of the receipts right on top of that. Eventually, it's gonna kind of start to look like paper mache and kind of be all together kind of mushed is kind of the idea here to make it look like some kind of funky fabric. So a top layer on over that because, you know, just the more the merrier. Gotta keep it looking fabulous. Go ahead and do the bra cups too, and it's pretty much done. Cool. So we're gonna go ahead and set that aside so it can dry, and we're gonna move on to the skirt. And first thing, we're gonna go ahead and take some black duct tape, make it into a belt. So by wrapping it around my waist, I know the size. Fold it over itself so it creates like a little belt thing that has double-sided like that. Hi, George. Onto the back of that, we're gonna go ahead and stick a bunch of the really long CVS receipts on with double-sided tape. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Fabuloso. Go ahead, repeat that until we have a nice little Squidward action going on here. As you can see though, this is too thin, so we're gonna go ahead and add some more until it's nice and thick. Oh yes, now that is some classy octopus sass. You can see they're uneven though, so we're gonna go ahead and trim that just so it is all evened out. So you can see now it's nice and short. So that is gonna go ahead and be the front of our skirt. So to go ahead and make the back, we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Go ahead and stick the receipts on that yet again. Then what I did is I went ahead and used more duct tape to kind of tape them together into like a big giant triangular sheet sort of thing. So you can see when I hold it up, it kind of looks like a peacock tail. No pun intended. Cover up the ugliness, we're gonna go ahead and just tape some more receipts on it because wouldn't you know, that's just what we're doing today. So more, the more the merrier until the whole thing is covered. So you can see if we lay those down, it kind of looks like nothing, but you'll see, it'll look like something in a second. So before we do anything else though, you can see the black is still kind of ugly on there. So we're gonna go ahead and cover that with more receipts by just folding those over using double-sided tape. And there we go. Bring the shirt inside from outside because it's all nice and dried. And are you ready for this? Are you guys ready for this haute couture? Hello, yes, welcome to CVS. Oh my God. So here you can see the finished dress, which makes a whole lot of noise, but you can see I kind of went for the Carrie Bradshaw Sex and the City vibes, except, well, not at all. So you can see the skirt ended up being like this. It is all made entirely of receipts. You can see the back even has the little frilly edges, so that's super fun, keeps it flirty. This part of the skirt ended up being like Skater Girl inspired. He was a skater boy, she said see you later boy. Hello, hello. How are you wearing? CVS. The top, okay, so actually the top didn't really end up working out like I wanted to. It actually pulled a lot, so it kind of gave it this crackly effect, which actually ended up looking super cool because it, you know, goes with the top, which I didn't do anything to. Receipts be looking like phone numbers. I'm queen of the receipts. I'm sorry, do you have a coupon I could use? Of course. Here you go. Receipts for everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me if you need some more.
Come on, baby, tell me one time I've ever lied to you.
Maybe I'll wear this to CVS later. Definitely kind of a weird look, but overall, I would say we did a pretty damn good job recycling. So there you have it, you guys. That was me making a dress out of CVS receipts. I hope you enjoyed the silly little recycling game, and I will see you guys very soon. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for lots more ridiculous content, and I will see you next time. I love you, my sweet, beautiful, fabulous baby angels. Stay extra always, and don't forget to keep your receipts. Till next time, my angels. XO. This dress makes so much noise, I almost feel like I could make a song out of it. Bad and bougie. Bad and bougie. Ooh. Genie in a bottle. Ooh. That's cool.